Hey there video creators, are you tired of shedding out big bucks for video editing software? Well, fear not, because in this video we're going to be taking a look at the top 5 best free video editing software out there that have you creating stunning videos without breaking the bank. We'll be exploring some powerful and user-friendly video editors that help you add that professional touch to your projects, whether you're a YouTuber, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves to make videos. These tools will make your life easier and more fun. And the number 1 on this list is actually what this video is currently being edited on, but we'll get to that later. Let me know in the comments which editing software you use or thinking of using. Number 5. Coming in at number 5 on our list of the best free video editors out there is Shortcut. This open source software works on Windows, Linux and Mac platforms, making it a great choice for all types of enthusiasts. And the best part? No watermarks. Shortcut offers a variety of filters and special effects, making it easy to add that extra pizzazz to your videos. Plus its interface is fully customizable with dockable and undockable panels that allow you to create your own perfect workspace. We were impressed with Shortcut's timeline editing capabilities. It's surprisingly sophisticated for a free tool. However, adding transitions can be a bit tricky and filters can only be applied to one clip at a time. But with support of up to 4K and AV1 decoding and encoding, Shortcut is a powerful video editor that's hard to beat. One of the best things about Shortcut is that it uses FFmpeg, which allows you to export your video in a wide range of formats, and with audio filters and support for AV1 coding, it's no wonder why Shortcut has gained such a following among video enthusiasts. So if you're a beginner looking for a free video editor with lots of effects and customizations, Shortcut is definitely worth checking out. Number 4. Are you a beginner or an enthusiast looking for a free video editing software that won't slow down your old Windows PC? Well, look no further than VSDC, the perfect choice for those with low-powered machines. While there's no Mac version, VSDC offers a range of flexible import and export options, making it a great option for adding special effects, text, lines and charts to your presentations. And what's even better is that almost all the features of the Pro version are available in the free version, and there are no watermarks to worry about. VSDC offers a variety of special effects, including color correction, blurring, and Instagram style filters. It also features a mask tool for applying effects to a specific part of your video, and a video stabilizer to remove camera shake from footage taken with GoPros and drones. VSDC even allows you to tailor your output for specific devices and has a built-in DVD burner. While something like OpenShot may offer more features, we found VSDC to be less laggy and still covers the basics well. So if you're a beginner looking for a powerful yet easy to use video editing software, give VSDC a try. Number 3. Now in at number 3 on our list of the best free video editing softwares out there is Lightworks. This powerful video editor has a bit of a pedigree. Just check out their website to see the impressive list of professional features films that have been cut using it. While the free version of Lightworks may not have all the bells and whistles of the Pro version, it still offers a highly customizable interface and a range of tools that will satisfy the most casual video editors. If you're looking for more advanced features, you may need to pay for them, but for most amateur and enthusiast video editors, the free version of Lightworks will do the trick. Now, one of the things we loved about Lightworks is how intuitive it is to use, especially with the new contextual help windows that guide you through your first steps. And with multi-track editing and a range of powerful effects, you'll have a blast learning the ropes with this software. The only downside to the free version of Lightworks is that you can only export your videos in MPEG format and up to 720p. While this might not be a deal breaker for some, it's definitely something to think about, and keep in mind if you're looking to export your videos in higher quality for, say, something like YouTube. Overall, Lightworks is a great choice for anyone looking for a free video editor with professional grade features and a highly customizable interface. So give it a try and see what all the fuss is about. Number 2. And number 2 is Hitfilm. Hitfilm is definitely worth checking out. However, be warned, there have been some changes since its recent rebranding. Previously known as Hitfilm Express, Hitfilm was a Swiss Army knife of video editing tool that had everything you needed and more. Unfortunately, with its recent introduction of 2 subscription tiers, the free version no longer packs the same punch Most of its effects are now watermarked, including transitions, animation, and color grading. That means for professional video editors, it may no longer be a viable alternative to other paid-for tools or indeed others on this list. However, if you are willing to pay, you can unlock all features and get rid of the watermarks. Now, with its recent rebranding, the interface as a whole has been overhauled, and while it's still easy to navigate, it may feel a bit clunkier. But Hitfilm has a great set of features to help you learn, including around 40 videos to teach you the basics. Despite the changes, Hitfilm is still a great free video editing software that comes with 400 plus visual effects and presets, 2D and 3D effects, compositing, motion tracking, color tools, and more. Just be aware that many of these features are now sadly watermarked. Number 1. At the top of our list for the best free video editing software is Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve, and for good reason. The video editor is packed with an impressive range of features that make it stand out from the competition, from advanced video editing capabilities to a powerful node-based special effects system, extensive color correction features, and professional level audio tools. DaVinci Resolve truly has it all. And the best part is completely free to download on Windows, Mac, and Linux. No strings attached. In fact, it's so good, I'm using it right now to edit this video. DaVinci Resolve is used by professionals in the film and TV industry, earning its reputation as an incredibly powerful software. It's updated regularly and puts many other video editors to shame, including some paid ones. And a quick browse on YouTube, you'll see the sheer number of people who have switched over to Resolve from the long-time industry standards of Final Cut and Premiere Pro. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the interface can be complex, which may intimidate newcomers to the editing profession. But if you're serious about video editing, you should definitely take DaVinci Resolve out for a spin. And if you ever feel overwhelmed, the community of creators creating tutorials on YouTube is so vast you can spend days going down a rabbit hole to learn new tips and tricks and effects that can be created in minutes on Resolve. I know, I've done it countless times. And if you're willing to invest in its full potential, you can upgrade to the Resolve Studio for a one-time fee of $295. Which is a lot, but it's a lot better than some of the reoccurring models charged from some others on the list and other well-known editing suites out there. Adobe. And with everything Resolve offers in its free version, many people don't even see the need to upgrade. Resolve includes its own VFX software, Fusion, one of the best Adobe After Effects alternative for designers, but it can be very intimidating at first. Overall, DaVinci Resolve is an impressive free video editor that packs a punch with its features and capabilities. So if you're ready to take your video editing skills to the next level, give it a try. You won't be disappointed. And that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts on which video editing software you're thinking of using. Until next time, goodbye.